shit, we jump out tryna stop some. One in the head, stop some. You shoot, you better knock some. In here with the murder babes, begging me to drop some. I'ma stop the SRT, banging you don't stop though. I'ma shoot this shit right from the street. Hurry up the cops.
This bitch, bro. We are at the shooting range, and we just gonna start rolling like this. You know what I'm saying? You feel me? We gonna have a little competition. Let me go first since you went, right? You got it? Okay. Pull it back and put her thumb up, bro.
Okay, money with the first shot. Let's see how it goes.
Bro, there's so many shots, bro. I don't even know which one is which, bro.
This is legit.
I don't know that what you're saying. Huh? Bro, like, I'm thinking about it. It's like, you know what's crazy? Like, that could kill you, bro. Like your life. Like, you're done cooked. End your life just like that. Like, taking that headshot, it's just boom, you're dead. It's actually insane, bro. You're dead. Crazy.
You don't see how good a shot is. Aim for the head this time.
2, right?
I put 3 in there.
Okay.
Alright, he's gonna aim for the head. I hit those 2.
Yeah, center.
I hit those 2. So we're gonna see what he
That's
hits.
on my cheek.
Alright, he said he's gonna hit the cheeks.
I missed one, but it's
Exactly.
so crazy how like you can aim in the middle, but the shot doesn't go in the middle.
That's because you're not aiming right.
I swear it's not.
See, you're not aiming right.
If you were aiming right, you would be able to hit that exact X.
Which one? I'll hit it next.
I swear you're not hitting the X.
See,
Let
swear.
me- on everything. Okay, we go.
Yeah, again. You gonna see this. I get 2 tries.
One try, both of us.
What do you
One
mean?
try. Just one try.
Right under. You know, we're getting there.
Okay, we gonna see. It's loaded, right?
There's one in the chamber. Yeah. You won't hit that X. I had it literally right under. You hit it above it, right?
Yeah, top right. It's still in the black though. But yeah, bro, I'm telling you, bro. Like I swear, my aim. By the way, this shit is hurting my head though. Like, the shots is actually sick. Anyways though, that shit is literally on the X. It's on the X, but it just doesn't hit the X. It's actually insane. That's not even like in the black area.
Yes, it is. Right there.
Like that's not even in the black area.
We get it.
Bro. Is it 2 in there? But bro, like I'm telling you, bro, like you're literally looking at the X, and you don't know where the shot goes.
Yes, I do.
Sometimes you don't even see it. Sometimes you don't even see it.
Close, buddy. Nowhere near. Come on, bro. You gotta do better than that.
Nigga, I hit the black on the second.
No, you didn't.
Bro.
No, you didn't, bro.
You hit the black on the second one, I hit the black on the second.
Didn't, bro. Stop saying that. That never happened. Getting help, bro. Embarrassing.
You started it?
Huh?
You started it?
Yes. Yeah, it's on.
I got my tips now, watch this, bro.
This got tips. Watch him still. aiming for the axe. You don't see. Did you load the chamber?
Oh, you lucky enough to see it.
Another one.
Wait. You know.
That was way off. You get in there, bro. You get in there.
Go ahead, man. Dang, that's not even close, bro. Like, what's up with the yellows? You love you some yellows, huh?
I was aiming good, you know. I don't know what happened.
Alright, I got the strat, I think, a little bit. You know, it's just really guarding it and holding it. It's just bad recoil. Okay, let's get some other guns. I'll be right back. Hold on. Oliad is about to get another gun so we can try different guns to show. By the way, this is my first time going to a shooting range. Bro, and I didn't record my first because one person was showing me, right? I was saying I don't want to blow my hand off. And I've shot it before, but it's like never at a shooting range, right? And I swear I'm not counting. You think I'm counting, but anyways though, I'm not like experienced there. I'm trying to say, right? And like the first time I just shot, I was like, damn, like that can really kill a person. Actually insane. Really think about it. But yeah, he about to get another gun. I can see myself coming here a lot. This shit is actually like fun. I don't know. This shit is actually insane. It's real life. But it's like, bro, like I'm gonna show y'all. Hopefully I can like record. They don't record this shit like that, and I don't want to get kicked out because this is a really good spot. I was supposed to go live, by the way. That's originally why I started this clip. I don't know why I forgot. I'm supposed to go live on Twitch right now, but the internet is acid, like horrible, no data, right? So I'm deciding to make this a YouTube video, and then we go. You know what I'm saying? Other time, like they don't have Wi-Fi either. I want Wi-Fi. I'll try like a different gun range to see if they got Wi-Fi. Go live. But yeah, bro. The other thing I was about to tell y'all, bro, when I walked, I didn't see all types of guns. And I was telling all my friend, bro, like these guns should not be like a big ass shotgun, a big ass rifle should be tragic. So we gotta what kind of gun?
This type of CZ. You know
What is it?
CZ. You know what I'm saying? It's a brand new. You know what I'm saying? Does you usually rent it out, but today you can. You know what I'm saying? It's a special. Make sure the safety's on. You know what I'm saying? Load it. And this is how
You
shoot
aiming
it.
for the X, right?
Yeah. This is X right here. Don't hit X.
Alright. That's like all the way down at 9.
It's not.
Like that's 9, right? You could just got hit 9, bro. Yeah, like you're not even in the black, gang. Like, let me show y'all how to do it, bro. You know what I'm saying? I swear that was in the black, bro. Like you could play the video. This gun feels harder, like way more
Is it heavy?
advanced. Yeah, way more advanced. The grip on it is not really comfortable. Feels like advanced.
You like the Glock?
Yeah, I like it. Glock is my top.
Niggas, man.
Which one?
Hold up.
Not in the black. Huh? That's not even in the black. That's That's on the 9 again. You're not hitting no blast, bro.
Moving to the right.
Like, you're not hitting no blast.
Moving to the right.
Let me show you how to hit a black.
You can't hit it,
I literally hit a black last time.
bro. No, you didn't.
Okay, count the dots. You're black. Count the dots. Is that not a black? That's a black, buddy. Watch this other one. Watch this other one.
Oh, not a black.
Bro, why aren't you counting, bruh?
There's 6. I counted 6 last time.
Okay, so look, y'all going to war. Y'all life depends on who y'all taking here.
I aim for the head, not for the body, bro.
Bro, who y'all taking?
I aim for the head, not for the body.
Bro, what? If you literally say we're going for the X, what are you talking about? You're aiming for the Are you delusional?
In the real world, I aim for the head, not the body, bro.
No. The whole point is if you wanted to hit the X, can you hit the X? That's the whole
Bro,
point.
I just hit the head, bro.
How about we push this shit back and we can see who hits the
Alright.
head? Like,
You aim for the head,
5
though.
yards?
Right there.
Wait, go. Alright, we're gonna see if you hit one.
I'm finna hit. Which target do you want me to hit?
Right, what's it called? Right side of the head. So it's clear.
Alright.
There's no more bullets.
Alright.
We both get 1 bullet.
Yeah. Alright, so he said right side of the head. See, there's
Yeah,
only
yeah.
4.
Yeah,
And there's one all the way at the
Oh, yeah.
right.
Okay. So 4 on the head. Okay, come on. Oh my lord. You hit the scoreboard.
That shit tougher than it looks, bro.
If I hit the head, I'm a better shooter than you.
We'll see.
Just admit though. Just say that.
I miss shit, bro. Come on.
Just say that though.
Lock in, bro.
Why don't you want to bet shit, bro? Like, you pussy, bro.
Alright, we get this game.
Look at that shit, boy.
Huh?
That didn't hit?
No.
Oh my god, that's right next to the head.
That was no. The shot was already there, bro.
Where did I hit then?
Nigga, you probably didn't hit anything.
Alright, so we got the Smith & Wesson.
Sure. Yeah, don't aim it.
Yeah,
Aim
yeah.
it that way.
My nigga, it's empty, bro.
It don't matter, nigga. Safe to be.
Okay, Smith & Wesson. This is the M2. M2, Smith & Wesson. Full bear. Make sure.
Alright, look at the target. Okay. You hit the 9. 9 again.
I think I'm getting the hang of it.
Huh?
You can put 2 bullets in. I think I'm getting the hang of it. I swear, the more you tuck in your shoulders, the more you have. Because I was doing this, right? Like, and there's more recoil because your shoulders are not tucked. If your shoulders is tucked in and you're really holding it, and you can recoil, like control the recoil.
I'm gonna show you how it's done, bro.
Huh?
I'm gonna show you how it's done.
You gonna show me how it's done, huh? We did different. Bro, literally a 9 though. You count that as a 10?
You got it, bro.
We both got 9s, bro.
You got it.
I'm not like, come on, bro. Like, you want me to lie to you? Like,
Just know I'm a better shooter than you.
I feel
I found my range.
7 yards?
You take too long to put that shit on. Like, actually.
Oh, I think I got it though. Look, how
Alright,
fast
finally.
Look how fast I put this
You definitely don't. far the shots are.
That's a 10 right there.
That's an 8.
Oh, that is an 8. I thought the
That's an 8. That's an 8 again, buddy. Okay, you get in there.
bro, I feel like a lot of shit has a lot to do with like recoil control. Like I feel like more than aim, because anybody can aim it at the X. It's more like controlling the gun, anticipating the recoil. You know what I'm saying? I feel like literally that's where all the skills lay at. It's crazy though.
Brand new gun.
Y'all gonna fuck
Let's check it out.
Y'all gonna fuck with this one. Y'all ready? Yeah.
Hello. This time you should be able to hit X, bro.
Was it even close?
Nah, you're missing that hole. You're
I'm
missing
missing
the whole
the whole
thing.
paper?
Yes, bro. I seen it. I literally seen the gavel go like right there on the black shit. Like that shit moved, bro.
There's no way.
The recoil that bad?
Let's see.
What was that?
I don't know, bro.
Do you see a green laser?
Yeah.
Oh, I thought I was tripping.
9999. See that stuff, right? I told you.
How do you unload this shit?
Figure it out like I figured it out.
Am I dumb?
What the timer on is that?
Am I dumb?
Yo, get your finger off the trigger.
Look this. Oh. I actually don't know how to do this.
Let me show you.
You got it, bro. I can't bring it out, bro.
Here, just hold it.
You press the 2 buttons.
Yeah. I don't know why it's 2. Shit don't make no sense.
We gotta hit X, bro. That's
Literally,
basic.
bro. I swear that was almost the X. Look at the X.
Oh shit.
Look at the X, bro. Bro, that was almost the X,
Yeah.
bro.
That was a good shot. I'll give it to you. I thought you missed it again.
Bro, fuck, bro.
I mean, you hit it. You hit the target, though.
That was not an X. We need to hit the X, bro. We need to hit the fuck out that X. We need to boom that X, bro. I'm telling you. You can't go out like that, bro.
think there's one in the chamber. Check. Or whatever that shit's called.
Yeah, there is one. I'm gonna just put one more, so there's 4. Right below my old one.
Yeah, you almost did.
Bro, oh my god, bro. They cheated.
Just hitting that good. Okay.
You're right, bro. The fogginess, bro.
Almost hit the X, bro.
Bro, like, that's actually
You literally grazed the X.
Huh?
You grazed the X.
Fucking insane, bro. That X pissing me the fuck off, man. Bro, just imagine that X fucked with your family, bro. Lock in, bro. Like, you gonna let him fuck with your family, bro? You gonna let that X fuck with your family, bro? Real shit?
Yo, put your hands up, little nigga. What's up? Where did I hit at?
Lock in, bro.
Oh,
You
waffle,
playing,
waffle,
bro.
waffle. Put your hands up, boy. I said put your hands up, boy. I'm gonna give you one more chance, buddy. Hands up, buddy.
How many we got left?
One more. You get the last shot.
Huh?
You got the last shot.
I got the last shot?
There's one more in here. I get 1-1.
Oh, okay, perfect. Bro, this is your last chance to hit the X, bro, for today, bro. Lock in, bro. Just think about that, bro. Yo, too. Alright, bro. Come on.
Last shot to hit the X for today. What's your thing? You finna hit that hoe?
I can't afford not to. I can't afford not to, bro. Come on.
Alright.
Alright, bro, so we just left the shooting range and I tried to record a little clip and he said like, oh, you can't put the employees in the clip, you know what I'm saying? And it's like they're really strong about it too. It's not even on some slick shit. It's not even like if I put the camera on him directly, oh, you can't put me in. It's like if I'm recording the store, hey, employees can't be in it type shit. But I respect it. They probably got guns under the counter and shit like that. One person you don't mess with in GTA is the gun shop guy. You know what I'm saying? It's the same in real life. But isn't it insane? Have you seen the guns, bro? You think normal citizens should be able to have that shit? Yo, that shit is actually insane to me. But yeah, nah, that's actually fun though. I can see myself coming here. I want to bring my dad here. I want to bring my like big bro here. My big brother. I don't know why I said big bro. Big brother. And I feel like, yeah, it's just like a cool quality time together. I feel like, I swear. It's really good, but it gets tiring though. Like after an hour, I would say, like after an hour 30, I think it gets kind of like, oh my god, like, you know what I'm saying? It kind of gets tiring. But like that's anything. But yeah, I fuck with it. I fuck with the whole experience overall. You got anything to say?
Huh?
You fuck with it?
It was cool, you know what I'm saying? I'm a better shooter than this nigga. His aim is ass, you know what I'm saying?
Who got the closest to the X?
Me.
See what gun?
You can show the YouTube video.
Boom. Nigga. Your ass, nigga. Anyways, though. I'ma fuck with y'all niggas. I hope y'all enjoyed this video and shit like that. We gonna level up our membership and we gonna start getting the rifles and shit, man. No cap, man. Let me know if you guys got any type of suggestions. Y'all know we stepping out of the room, we getting off the chair, and we getting lit out here, you hear me? So yeah, definitely just let me know what y'all think, what kind of videos y'all want, you feel me, more real videos or not, what y'all think about this video, what are some things I should improve, anything for y'all niggas, you feel me? Love y'all niggas, man. BB's out the shit. Keep God in your life, fuck nigga.